This weighs less than a motorcycle, and I'm about to fly it. Let me show you around. It's called the Hexa, and it's a one-seater drone. Ready? Look at this. This is your pilot helmet, your comms. Put that on. In the middle, you got an iPad Pro with augmented reality to show you where the digital fences are so you don't drive too far. This is your joystick. If you want to climb, you pull that up like this. Descend. You want to slide right like that. Slide left, pull forward, backwards, and back here is how you rotate it. All right, look at this. The reason why it's so light is because everything is carbon fiber, including the legs. These are fully buoyant. You got 6 of them. That means that this can land on water. In the middle, you have another buoyant piece. This also cushions any kind of damage. It's got 18 propellers, and 6 of them can go out, and you'll be completely okay. Check this out. This is a parachute, a ballistic parachute. In case something terrible happens, it'll go in the center, in the middle. This is the battery. 18 of them, very easy to install. And they save weight in a million different ways. This is 3D printed titanium, and there's 18 of them, and they go right here. Each one weighs 200 grams, making everything a lot lighter. Carbon fiber propeller, feels like a weapon. You can cut some stuff up. Let's go. All right, ready? Yep.
Confirm clear above.
Okay. All right, you got to step back. All right. Ready? All right. Taking off. Look, no wind. No problem. All right. That was freaking insane, man.